All right, good morning. Today is October 13th. Today is also CPI. You can see here we got CPI news coming in at 8:30, so 15 minutes. Now, there might be a setup to sell, but obviously you're going to wait for news to come out. All right. Now, let's quickly go to the daily. This whole week has been pretty choppy. You can see just consolidated, ranging. Right now there is some volume, but we'll see what really happens, Um, cleaner traffic to the left if we do go up there. Let's make this like a golden golden zone, but it's super clean. Imagine if it cleans up 700 pips. Damn, that'd be amazing. So anyway, on the daily we're bullish. 4 hour, just consolidation, and what we know from Raja is that when it breaks out of consolidation, the breakout happens. Breakout happens. All right. So right now, there we got bullish. Um, you can see there's not much nice traffic to the left for the downside, but much cleaner to the left on the upside. So I feel like taking maybe for CPI news, I'm going to take a half risk to break above this 4 hour wick or its own current wick, and it should shoot up. And if it just respects that high, that's about 50 pips, which is pretty good. Going down to smaller time frame, 1 hour, you can see this high is a key level, right? Once we break this, right, look at that. Let's zoom in. Over here, it's just super clean. That's 80, 150. Like, that's more than enough pips that I really need. But we got some rejection, so it's still respecting that resistance on the 1 hour. 30-minute, probably even more showing that, right? So a break above this high, which should be good. I'm just gonna play buy stops with the current 30-minute low. So risking about, let's say there, 85. Something like this. 85, 90 pips to make. Over here would be 50, which is fine. And then there's 400. Ultimately, we're going to go all the way up to there. Right? So let's see what really happens in about 13 minutes. Right? Now on 15-minute time frame, we can see it basically consolidating. And if it drops, that's perfectly fine. Just because here the trend is up, this 30-minute candle is it is bullish, and even if it drops on CPI news, it could only move up to here, 26 pips. Then you got this trap, and then you got this. There's too many possible support areas that it might want to respect. If all of this mess was not here, I'd probably take buy stops, sell stops, and put maybe a 200 pip move is possible, right? But yeah, right now I don't know. I don't know what that is saying right now. Yeah, 200 pip. But yeah, that's probably it. Um, 10 minutes. Probably pause video here and watch on MetaTrader. I will be using a 1% risk because it's a high impact news. So yeah. All right. And pause right here. All right. Holy shit. Market is moving up. I have to bring this one up here. Shit, can't risk that now. Quit. I can't place the sell stop, buy stop right now. It's popped up. Gonna open. Holy shit. I should have played the sell stop. But for sure there was slippage though. For sure. And because where I saw the price open was down here. And crazy. That's crazy, man. Makes me feel like, damn, yo, I should have played the sell stop. But oh well. I don't know where I would have got filled though. But definitely would have made some money. Maybe even down here. 200 pips. Damn. See the results. Oh, everything's good. Unemployment claims pretty neutral. So historically, at 9:30, you know, so at 9:30, what happens is pretty much flat, really. Most of the time, it's flat at 9:30. So maybe no more trading, but just gonna continue to watch this. Look at that. Look at it on the daily. Daily just totally flipped. Man, I would have been in on this. All good. All right, so you can see I missed out on sells over here. Missed out on the sells on this. Dropped massively, man. Dropped a lot. I initially had sell stops below this, and then since it wicked up, you know, I closed it and tried to re-enter, but it was tight for time. But damn, man, dropped 725 points, 2.5%. If I risked 100, that is about 200 something bucks, right? What is it? I risked 190. Two 2.7, what was it? 2.5. 600? 190, that's 1%. Yeah, 2%. 400 bucks. Damn, bro. Would have been nice. Would have been nice. 475. But anyways, yeah, so right now the 4 a.m. obviously closed bearish. Well, the support. So what I'm expecting now is maybe for the um NYSE Open. It might retrace up a little bit somewhere around here, right? Let's put this here, 4 hour, right? And maybe it might just go here and drop, or it could go up higher and then drop. But that's the thing I'm going to be looking to play with. Now 30-minute, one thing I'm going to do for my review right now while I wait is I'm going to look at the previous 30-minute candles, okay, and see if you get slipped. Because previously for NFP, I get slipped a lot because I use the current 30-minute. There's always some slippage. So here, I'm assuming maybe, let's say I get slipped 60, 70 pips, right? So basically, today for CPI, I would have entered somewhere around here, still make like a 2% move. And what is it? Yeah, this thing would go, right? So we're gonna look at the previous 30-minute candle, see if it breaks those highs and lows, and just gonna go and collect that data, and next CPI, I'll be ready. Right, so looking at this chart, go on trading view, 4 hours bearish. There's clean traffic to the left here on the weekly. Look, on the weekly, it might break that low, and then we got clean traffic to the left. That's about, I think, 100 pips. Yeah, almost 200 pips. So I might just take a sell back there. The daily flipped bearish already, right? 4 hours bearish, gonna close bearish. 1 hour's bearish. 30 minutes bearish. Now we could get some retracement, but I'm not gonna take any buys. I'd rather wait for it to create a resistance, as I said, and then drop. Here on to the 15-minute. Oh, all right. So right now here it's about 124 pip risk, but the target is not bad. Maybe 400 if it continues. Well, we're closing above the support, so I need for me to take sells. I need strong volume. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wait for a closure below this zone or below this wick, and then take that. All right, so we got 10 seconds left. This market comes in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Might go bullish. Normal for it to make a little retracement. All right. Market's open. And a 30-minute close bearish above the support. 1 hour. Now, even if this breaks that high, that is a setup. But how high will it go? I don't know. Right? And we got a probable resistance around here. So if I take this, maybe you get like 180, but that's okay. Right? So let's see. So now I'm risking 142. Looks like it's gonna be better for me to wait for a closure below. Also, when I looked at the stats, historically around 9:30, 10 o'clock, it's just been flat. The market already moved. You know, it's not. It's not. Gotta move over a bit. House is dying. Getting a little bit more volume, which is nice. So let's see where this whole market goes. Take a sell with the previous 15-minute low break. So now I've got to look, is there a setup on higher time frames? Because if there's a setup on higher time frames, then, you know, I could take these. So, all right, so 4 hour, nope. 1 hour, nope. You know, 30-minute, it is breaking, might break the previous low with stops, 100 pips. You know, there is no more news coming in. No more news. But honestly, for me to take this sell, I don't know, man. I'd rather wait for a closure below. Yeah, that is the safest one. I'm gonna wait for that because one, that is a daily wick and a weekly wick, probably even a monthly wick. Oh yeah, it's this current month's wick. So two possibilities: either enter impulsively with a half risk, or don't enter at all and just let it move. So I think one, since the market already moved like 700 pips, I'm not gonna enter half risk. That makes no sense. All right. So probability option number one is happening right now. What's that? MK selector minus. Okay, I think I know what that is now. Anyways, what is happening now is what I probably predicted, right? Is gonna maybe go up, create a resistance, then drop. And that's the sells I'm gonna take because that is following the plan. So I'm gonna wait for that. Let's go to here we go. That's what these are. Over the only minus C. 10. So you don't know what that is. Gold keeps dropping. I'm gonna pause here because nothing is happening, man. 10 minutes passed, nothing happening. So I'm gonna pause. We'll see. All right, so this 1 hour is about to close, and basically what happened, well, I predicted might happen is happening. Bounce off support, create a retest of resistance, and you can see it broke above that 4 hour, but probably the 1 hour is going to close below that 4 hour lowest wick, right? You can see that. So we got a little bit of a retracement. Now we just need a setup. Could be a 5-minute setup, but I'm not going to take those because I don't take 5-minute setups. So yeah, gotta wait till maybe either a wick rejection, might risk half risk if it's a wick rejection, or what is it? Wait till 10:15 to take a setup. So if it is gonna do half risk, something's wrong. Second one, or -1. Go. All right. So on this 15, we actually closed above. Can't. I want to see it go up higher and maybe respect that, but I can't be taking trades off that. Even though it might break. Actually, it breaks this 5. See, it can't be taking trades off 5 minutes. That's going off the plan. I don't take 5-minute trades, man. But it might happen, and if it happens, that's fine. Because I'm gonna follow my plan and not take these new risk trades, man. But gonna do half risk if it happens. I want to see this go up, and maybe if it breaks its own low again, I might take the trade. But obviously half risk. And like 90. Low of 74. I want to see it go higher. And it might break, but I'm telling myself already that If it drops, it's all good. I'm not gonna be eager to take this short because the majority of the move already happened. All right, but this is what I want to see, right? So go bullish, probably reject, respect all previous highs, and if it breaks, yeah, I'll take that. Low of 63. Go here. High of 53 and 57. Okay. So let's see where this 5-minute candle closes first. I wanted to respect that previous high because we got a wick rejection. Overall, we're bullish. Did not close above the resistance on the 30-minute. You can see it here with that blue zone. You know, and honestly, if it breaks within its own 5 minute, that's perfectly fine. Not gonna chase. I'd rather have it do its whipping up and down and indecision right now instead of getting it in prematurely. Right, but I'm risking 96 and oh yeah, look at that. 90 pips, 100. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. And again, here I'm going to close 90%. 90 seconds, so it's 5-minute closes. Another good price action is if this candle, right? So what happened was it went down, respected that low, goes up. I want it, it would be nice, even if it breaks above, creates a big ass upper wick and then rejects. That is just nice price action for sells. So let's see. Looks like this 5-minute might close bullish. And then in 15 minutes, if this candle closes above, then we got a, yeah, and that's pretty good to maybe take some buys. Yeah. What is this Fibonacci stuff? Okay, yeah, so we can go to the next zone actually. There we go. Look at that. Good. So 5-minute closing bullish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No trades coming in. Oh, close with no wick. We're gonna get a little drop down. Now, if I drew my zones incorrectly, that is my fault. I think my zones are okay. Those are where the body's closed and yeah, I'm not gonna know. Okay. 89, 50 pips. That is the support. This is support. Just gonna chill. See what happens. Let's close that. So I don't accidentally press it. And now I guess we're gonna wait till the market you know, gives us something to maybe take. All right, so right now we might get exactly what I was saying again. I wicked up all the way up, you know, retraced even a bit more. You know, and if it drops with volume, I might take this sell. This low 40.28 on a low of 74. Okay, that's about 3 3 pips. Of 63. Oh, wait, that's okay. So if this, we got 3 minutes till the 15-minute ends, and if this market closes bearish or even breaks that low, it should just plummet. You know, I am risking about 200, but you know, we'll secure at 50, 90% at 50 pips. And yeah, you know. But if not, then we wait till 10:30, nothing's gonna happen, no trades, it's all good. So 2 minutes left. All right, so here on the 5 minutes, to get 50 minutes actually. 50-minute looks like it might actually close above this support and resistance. Well, the zone basically, and there could be a buys, you know, 87, 140. But are we in a counter trend? You know, 4-hour flip. Where could it find resistance? 1 hour is you know, it's the first 15 minutes. You got maybe some rejections right here, which is only 60 pips. 30-minute, you got 15 minutes till this close. So it's a tough one, you know. 15-minute here it opened. So let's see. This is high. Let's zoom in. High of 48. We'll go up to 50. Let's see the 5-minute. Okay, 5-minute had a nice liquidity actually. You know. The rule of thumb is use the previous 15-minute low, 180 pip risk, but I would use current candle. Okay. So here I'm gonna probably use a half risk. One, I would love this low, you know, but I mean, 50 pips is amazing, you know, but it should go up. I take, yeah. Looking at price, it looks good. It's clean to the left. 5-minute would break that high. Okay, that's high 48. See, and then the way I would manage risk is if it comes back to its okay, 50 pips. 50 pips closing 90%. Candleflip entry. That is what this is. And it's only half risk. Over 13. Holy shit. Alright, close. Ah! Why isn't my magic keys working? Hate this, man. 4.6, 2.3. Oh no, I gotta wait for the full 5 minutes. I'd have to close. Okay, that was executed. Closed half. There we go, yep. Man, that is so weird. See, here, now I feel like, man, maybe I shouldn't take this trade. Because, look at this shit, man. Lost 180, 184. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Damn, man. Close above. See, maybe it should just be more patient, man. So here, I think, man, yeah, do I wait for 30-minute closure? But now, if this 30-minute closes bearish or closes back in this zone, nice, better sells there. So just gonna be documenting this. Um, the setup, there was no setup on a higher time frame. That was my mistake, man. Wait, oh no, Candleflip. It wicked down, went up. I thought that was a retest. Oh, flip. There we go. Stop was 63, 65. Maybe I was impatient. 2.3 closed at so now here it's opening up again. It just retested even lower. You know, what do I do? I think I have 60. Gonna wait for 30-minute closures. What's wrong with me this month, man? So not bad. Here I lost like 60% of what I initially risked, which is yeah 1%, 0.95%, which ain't bad. That's actually not bad. Actually not bad. Just 1 point. Okay, there. 30-minute might close bearish. I like it to close below. There we go. Tough. Very, very tough. So here I think I was just impatient. Maybe I should have waited for the 30 to break. This was an impulse entry as it retested that low. 100, risk 80, went up 120. So we'll see, man. How unfortunate. %13%. No, percent this month. Crazy. Only won 3 trades. Horrible, horrendous stats right now. Lose. These ones were high impact moves, so I think. Yeah, NFP. Those are NFP trades. Oh yeah, here. Let me just document right now. All right, so here on the 30-minute, look at the 30-minute. It's closing in a bearish, small doji indecision candle. That was enough of the retracement, and now it actually might drop all the way. So let's see what we get. Okay, so switching that. This is a 30-minute low with stops all the way there. It is pretty high. Oh, that's a 1.5 right there. Not too bad. I am not getting all the way down there. Right. So if this 30-minute closes underneath the zone, that would be good. right? So I need this 15 to close right under here. Then I could maybe take sells below this. But the best trade would be to take sells below the 30-minute as a 30-minute break. That is what you want. That's what I want. So let's see what happens. Here I'd be going full risk because this is much better. This follows a plan and all that stuff, you know. So risking 200 pips right now. Risking 200 pips. And, you know, we'll see. I mean, the 5-minute, beautiful. Even cleaner, right? If it breaks that, drops. Like, see where it closes. Let's see over here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it did close below. Right. If it just drops, I would use the previous 15-minute high as a stop loss. But if this does a little bit of a wick up, that would be a nice stop loss to use a current candle high. All right. Right. I mean, even like, look at this, lower lows, lower highs. It is a new 30-minute candle. Right. But we could do this even like up to that, I would say. Let's see. Once this drops with force, you know, gonna bring stop loss maybe here. And that would be nice. Okay, now we can use the current candle stop loss. Because it moved up pretty nice. Here is a 30-minute. Okay. So you can see it's going up pretty nice. Which is all good. As long as it respects the previous what is this? 15-minute high and breaks the previous 15-minute low. Where there are some good sells here. 15-minute. But 30-minute looks so much cleaner. It's so simple. You wait for it to break. Okay. I mean, this one right here is already like 40, 50 pips. This is 40 pips, risking 100 pips. Not really worth it. Stick to this. Oh, I'm going to stick to that one. Because here, this is already 100 pips. This one is only 50 pip more stop loss. So I'm not going to face or have that anxiety and fear of it breaks the previous 15-minute low, hits this 4-hour level, and then bounces back up. Been a rough month, man. Rough. Yeah, man. So all the trades for the month. See a withdrawal of 500 bucks up there. Damn, bro. Down $700. 30-minute. Would love this to break it. Respect to the previous 30-minute high, and this could go all the way down 200. That's exactly 1.5 to 1. Gonna watch this. Top loss is 175, man. I can't do 175 in pips. Damn. I'm gonna just do like 90 pips. Much out of 250 pips. Pause right here. Yeah, I feel like taking this trade right here. I mean, second chance bias, man. 30-minute setup. If it breaks that wick, go even a bit higher. But if it breaks that wick, maybe it'll go up. You know, I mean, after it clears that wick, you got lean traffic. 30-minute play. Ah, missed it. Just as I clicked open trade, it didn't work. I missed it. Okay. I think I'm done, man. Getting late, 10:45. You know, but my entry would have been around 170, right around here. So gonna watch it and see the possible outcome. Right now, I feel good. I did not take it because damn, I'm being drawdown. Sad. Sad, man. Um, This stream, nothing happening.